Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Adobe Acrobat Reader and save LinkedIn PDF resumes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Adobe Acrobat Reader, begin by closing the application if it's currently open. Navigate to the control panel on your computer. You can access the control panel by searching for it in the Start menu. Once in the control panel, locate the Programs section. Click on Programs and Features to view a list of installed applications. Scroll through the list until you find Adobe Acrobat Reader. Click on Adobe Acrobat Reader to select it. Then, look for the Uninstall option at the top of the window. Click on Uninstall to begin the removal process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation. Next, it's important to save your LinkedIn PDF resumes before uninstalling Adobe Acrobat Reader. Open your web browser and go to the LinkedIn website. Log into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your profile page. Look for the More button located near your profile picture. Click on More, then select the Save to PDF option. Your resume will now be generated as a PDF file. Wait for the download to start automatically, or click the download link if prompted. Once the PDF is downloaded, choose a location on your computer to save it. Ensure the file is saved in a place where you can easily find it later. Now that your LinkedIn PDF resume is saved, you can proceed with uninstalling Adobe Acrobat Reader. After completing the uninstallation, restart your computer if prompted. Your system is now free of Adobe Acrobat Reader, and you have successfully saved your resume. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.